Hi, Bob Gibbs here from the Real Estate Market Watch, and this is Sunday the 27th of February. What I wanted to talk to you about today is what's going on in the market, and actually in the town of Danville in the East Bay of California. So I've mentioned over the last several videos that we've seen prices kind of stabilize and flatten out, and in most cases we have. Danville's been a little bit interesting in the middle price points, and that's like between 500 and 800. We've seen them actually continue to go down, which is kind of funny, but because in San Ramon, which is the town right over, it's actually been going up. But a lot has to do with the amount of inventory that's been on the market. So I have a little statistic here I was going to show you. It's kind of on my technologically savvy way of doing it. But if you take a look at this, this basically says this graph right here shows inventory, how it peaked out and actually is coming down. Now if you see average or median price in Danville going down, 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 as inventory is dropping, you see this thing start flattening out a little bit and now it's starting to go up. So what we're seeing is in Danville now is starting to mirror to some extent what we're seeing in San Ramon, and that is the inventory is low, prices have at a best case flattened out, and in some cases starting to go back up. So from the seller's perspective, kind of a good sign. From a buyer's perspective, you may want to consider really accelerating the process of you getting into a home, because you have that phenomenon going on with prices starting to go up. But the other thing we're seeing is that interest rates actually have dropped down. So a bit of a perfect storm right now for you if you're a buyer. If you're a seller, great time. Don't know what's going to happen 6 months from now, whatever. There's so much going on in the world right now, it's kind of hard to tell. But one thing I can do is tell you what's going on today. And today, it's kind of a great time to sell because prices have kind of stabilized. And from a buyer's perspective, things have flattened out and are starting to way up. All things being equal, if you talk to most economists, they're saying we've already hit bottom and we're kind of pulling out of it. In fact, the Fed's starting to take action and talk about taking actions to remove themselves from the economy a little bit. So a lot of signs there, a lot of indicators saying that most of the experts are believing we're kind of pulling out of this. Who knows what's going to happen tomorrow somewhere else in the world, but the only thing we can do is talk about today. Today it's a great time to buy. Today it's a really good time to sell. And so, it's a really good time. If you're in that process of either buying or selling, you need to give us a call. We can talk to you about your specific situation and what we can do to help you get on your way. So with that, as always, we're here to help you realize your real estate goals and dreams. Make it a great day. Bye.